Hello guys, welcome to this video. And today we are going to basically show you how you can install Python programming language on your desktop or your computer or your laptop, and even on Windows. So the same process, similar process being applied to that of macOS and other operating systems. So the first step for you to undertake is to open your Chrome browser. If you don't have Chrome, you have Firefox, you can make use of that. I'm also going to apply the similar process. So I'm going to open my Chrome since I already have Chrome installed on my laptop. So I open Chrome. So you go to your search bar, just type Python, say Python download. So download, even that it was not correct. Okay, let me just correct it. So what first you are going to do, you see the official page, download Python, python.org. So you just click on it. As you can see, download the latest version of Python programming language, or you can decide to pick an older version. You can see looking for a specific release, Python release by version number. You can try to download any version of your choice here by just going down to look for the choice, but make sure to download at least Python 3.10. I think it will be a little bit better rather than downloading Python 2. At least let it be 3 upward. So, well, I already have Python installed on my system. I'm just going to show you how you can download. Let's say, for instance, you want to download the latest. You just click on download for Windows first. I'm just going to this download on my system, so no need of me downloading it anymore. But you can just click here. You can see it will prompt you to start the Python. I already have it on my system, so I'll just go to my downloads to show you how you can install it. As you can see, this is it. Let me go to the file, show in folder. This is I have Python 3.10. This is why I saw Python 3.10.9 because when Python was still in 3.11, I tried installing TensorFlow on my system, I was having an issue with it. So, but the 3.10 was still okay. If you have 3.10, I think it's good. So the way you can install it, just to right click on it. I also have 3.11, but I make use of the 3.10. So double click on it. This is going to show you. Okay, so I already have it installed. Okay. Sure. Let me use the 3.11 as an example. So you see install now. Make sure you add this part. Make sure you add this python.exe to part. If you don't do this, this might be when you're done installing, it might be a little bit this might not be funny when you're done installing. So make sure to add it and then install now. So I'm not going to install, I'm just going to cancel it. Already have 3.10 already, and I'm good with 3.10 on now. So that's basically how you can install Python 3.11 or 3.10, any particular Python of your choice on your operating system. And the way to know whether if you have installed Python on your operating, when you're done installing, just follow the process. Is still going to be the same. How you install apps on your mobile phone or your system, just click accept, install, click blah 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 blah, and also make sure to add pip install to click on pip install on it. To make sure you add pip install when you're installing. So to find out whether Python is already installed on your system, how you can do, just go to your command line cmd. Then enter the command line, you can type Python. When you hit enter, you can see Python 3.10 blah 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 other information. Here I can decide to write some script here, but which I'm not going to do. You can see Python was successfully installed on my system. So just is basically the same way install Python on your. So install mobile apps on your system. That's just basically how you can install Python on your system. So this should be it for this video. Thank you for watching.